Did you know a 20-foot predator once choked to death on its own ambition? 85 million years ago, shallow seas covered what is now Kansas, and cruising these ancient waters was Ziphaxtinus, the bulldog fish. This massive hunter had jaws packed with razor-sharp teeth like needles. But here's the terrifying part. It didn't just bite its prey to death. It swallowed fish nearly half its own size completely whole, like a marine python devouring its victims in one gulp. Scientists found the perfect evidence of this deadly strategy, a fossilized Ziphaxtinus with a 6-foot Gillicus still inside its stomach. But this wasn't a successful hunt, it was a death sentence. The prey was too large, its spines pierced the predator's stomach wall. Both fish died together, locked in their final struggle. This fossil captures the exact moment 85 million years ago. Even apex predators could become victims of their own evolutionary greed.